Solvotrin Therapeutics is headquartered in Ireland.
We are a global brand and we're now based in 14 markets worldwide.
We make a product range called Active Iron. The ethos of the business is to take well-established products that have side effects, make them better, and we do this with cutting-edge science. The business was founded in 2010. We spent a number of years of research and development, clinical studies. Our first sales were in 2017 and we started selling on Amazon in 2018.
One of the main reasons we decided to sell on Amazon was to be able to sell in different countries. Now we're selling in the UK, Germany and the US.
My wife had low iron. She felt tired all of the time, couldn't tolerate oral iron. And then Active Iron was born. It's a groundbreaking technology that uniquely avoids the common side effects of oral iron, but is clinically proven to increase your iron levels in 6 weeks.
Active Iron is not just a product. We want to build a brand that really means something to women worldwide. Our business has seen huge growth from Amazon, and Amazon now accounts for 25% of our UK volume, growing year on year.
When you're trying to put a product into high street retail, it can take time. They need to make space for your product. However, when you want to sell on Amazon, once it's approved, you can get to work immediately.
This has changed our business by allowing us to be available to our consumers 24/7, 365 days a year online. Amazon offers services that allow us to reach our target audience specifically. That really gives us the confidence that our communications are reaching the right people. We can also use Amazon's data and analytics to inform us about consumer behaviour, helping us to inform marketing strategies.
The advice I give to any business thinking on selling on Amazon would be making sure that you have your Amazon listing well optimized, which includes having proper bullet points, good imagery and good videos to showcase your brand and your product.
Amazon have a significant slice of the women's health market. We are a women's health focused company and we need to be on Amazon.